Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the REALME Pad Mini. First of all, we are going to start from the photo mode. On the right side you can find the volume buttons and you can use them to take photos with the timer. So as default is set up for the 3 seconds. It works the same for the volume up and volume down. When you are going to click and hold one of this button, as you can see, there is no any feature linked. The same for the volume down. When you click and hold the shutter, it works the same. There's no any feature, so I can recommend you to open the settings, because right here, in the most cases, you can link any feature to this hold function. As you can see, there is no such a feature in this device. So the another tip will be about zooming in and out. You can click and hold on the 1x preset and you will unlock this slider. So you can zoom in by using your finger, just like that. Next, we are also able to customize some of these default features. So we have to open the settings, and as you can see, we can switch volume buttons functions. So I just show you that we can take photos by using them, but we can also use them to zoom in or zoom out. We can also turn off the shutter sound. We can enable the grid lines. They help us to take better composition on the photos. As you can see, they appears right now, right here on the screen. And that's how the volume buttons works right now. Next, we can also check for the picture quality. It will be also the best to set for the super fine and to set also for the 8 megapixels with the 4:3 aspect ratio to get the best quality on our photos. And we can also turn on the touch photography. So right now, when you want to take photo, you can just click on the screen, and as you can see, the photo will be taken. We can go for the more modes where we can find, for example, the burst shots. So right now we have to long press our shutter to capture a series of the photos. Next, we can also go for the Pro mode, where we can adjust some parameters like ISO, shutter speed, white balance, focus range and exposure compensation. And that's all for this video. I hope you like it.